Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today. So we start off today's video with a variety of different haircut transformations. Now she has some long, gorgeous hair here, and we get a bit of a psych out from the stylist. And then we move into this cool girl undercut transformation. Such a cute style. I love the edginess. And then we got a layered haircut. So this is that first woman. She did end up getting layers. And then we have a cute little shaggy bob. That is very cute. I love the way that this turned out. So here we have someone with mid-length hair who decided to go blonde and get a bob. Ooh, followed by this cute Pixie Bob style. And then we have this gorgeous copper pixie. So pretty. I love that color. Next up, we have someone who has a mullet. Wow. I'm not even sure what this style is called. I just think it looks rocker chic. Look at the sideburns. So here we have a nice little pixie cut. Looks like she's just getting a cut refresh here. Then we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist chops off that hair and bam, cute, chic, simple bob makeover. Very nice. Here we have someone with hair around shoulder length. She's got some grown out color here. And she ends up getting a cute bob with bangs style. Oh, she goes even shorter with a mini bob. Very nice. Whoa! Wow. I love this video reel. The way that she psyched us out. And then wow. So this is the final look here. I think she went blonde with a pixie. I love this video. So much fun. And I love the drama behind the entire makeover. Very cute. Next up, we have this gorgeous reddish copper pixie. She's got some bangs to frame out the face with this one. And then we have a cut refresh with this Pixie Bob style. I love the overall shape of this cut. Gorgeous. It fits her face shape perfectly, like the way it just frames her jawline. Perfection. So then we have someone with some gorgeous ginger hair. The stylist is just doing a trim here. Her hair color is so beautiful.